Hi everyone, welcome to Log4 and today we're going to MOA and BGC. So first thing that we did was to eat kasi mahirap maghanap ng kakainan later, and then we saw this cat. Now we're gonna go ice skate. Super excited pa ako rin kasi ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-ice skate. So at this point, we're looking for a coffee shop and we can't decide kung saan kami pupunta. Then we went to Healthy Options kasi may titingnan daw yung kasama ko. Wala kami masyadong magawa, so ikot-ikot lang kami. Then we had a snack. Okay, that's it. Bye!